making for you something very easy and perfect for after dinner. Perfect sweet treat with a nice citrus kick. They're called the Lemon Snowballs. And I'm going to be making it in the brand new Vitamix A3500i model, top of the line model, and you can pretty much see why. It looks schmick and it's so easy to use. So I'm going to get started and show you just with a simple mix of dried coconut, 2 cups, and half a cup of blanched almonds. You can use normal almonds with the skin on, but I thought for aesthetic reasons really, I just wanted to keep it nice and pale so it looks like a snowball. Then I've got 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. You could use honey, but if you want to keep it vegan, you can use maple syrup or rice malt syrup. So just put that all in. And then we have 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. It's melted as well to make it a lot easier. And then one of my favorite things is lemon. So I've just got the lemon and a bit of zest from 1 lemon in here. Perfect to refreshen the palate after a big meal. Good, good dessert. Woo. Don't be that loud. Alright, and we're just going to pop the lid on. The great thing about this is it's nice and clear so you can see straight through the top on what you're making. This lid cap locks into place, but we won't be needing that today because we will be needing our tamper. So I'm going to pop that straight in. And this perfect interface here, I'm just going to turn it on at speed 1 and then ramp it up to speed 10 and get a nice smooth consistency. Base container and a small amount of ingredients is that in between blends you might just need to use your spatula. You can purchase these online and push it down on the sides. So what I would normally do is I'd probably double this and make a big batch and freeze the extra, and that way you can just keep tampering and it'll go nice and smooth. But because I've used a small amount, I'm going to put down the sides and keep blending. That's ready to be rolled. So I'm just going to roll it up into balls, and also feel free to dip it into a raw chocolate and set it so it's like a chocolate snowball. But I really want to keep the light colour on the plate. So I'm just going to grab a little bit of it. Oh, it smells amazing. Coconut and lemon is just a mix made in heaven. So I'll roll it up. I've washed my hands. And then roll it in some fresh coconut and you have yourself a delicious lemon snowball. And they're really, really, really good. Happy blending!